One of my friends said, who is a complete muggle, and she knows it. And she said, "Oh, it must be hard to constantly look for signs. Your life must be so hard to constantly look for signs." And I laugh because I look at it the opposite way, right? Because it's
Yes.
life as a muggle, it's not hard life as for us because science encourage, uplift, help, guide. I mean, all the make decisions, help make decisions and so forth. And so, what would you say? Which part do you think hard life with science or without science?
Oh my gosh, absolutely without. And what the my favorite thing out of all this that I've ever learned is I know that I was this way for I'm sure I was this way for you. I was this way for other people in my life. But whenever someone isn't paying attention to their signs and they're just walking through life, going through the motions, um, I feel like those people are usually the ones who drain me the most. Like they physically drain my energy, they drain mentally, physically, emotionally. I get drained by hanging out with them because they're not they're not being true to themselves. They're not being intentional of what they really want in life. So instead of saying it's got to be hard for you, they could say, I want to learn how to do this. Like, how can I do this so my life can be easier? And I can understand the resistance because I've been on that side. And and I did think like, this is there's no way that everything can be a sign. Absolutely. Whenever you're getting signs, I understand how people on the outside looking in, whenever I'm like, this is a sign, a bunch of my shoes broke. I mean, I had 7 pairs of shoes break one day or one week. And I know the people around me probably thought I was some kind of crazy person or I just bought really cheap shoes. But it is important to pay attention. And yes, absolutely.